Alright YouTube, I've started 3D printing. Here's my 3D printer, Ender 3S1 or SI or whatever it is, I'm not quite sure. I'm printing a pink version of a Bulbasaur. There's a little bit of some stringing issues, but hey, it is what it is. I'm still new to printing. So you see how long I still have left? Yeah, so I just finished this one yesterday. This is PLA, that's PETG. Yeah, so you can tell there's a little bit of some imperfections, but hey, it is what it is. It's 3D printed. Still looks very, very cool. Yeah, so there's my Bulbasaur YouTube. See you.